Now children, next content is allotropes. Allotropic form of carbons. Right? What are allotropes or what is called allotropy? Existence of one element either in two forms or more than two forms is called allotropy. Phenomenon is called allotropy and each structural form or structural arrangement is called allotrope. All allotropes are similar in chemical properties and different in physical properties like melting point and boiling point. Right? Because melting point, boiling point depends upon structural arrangement, force of attraction within structure. Okay, children? Now, carbon exists in three allotropic forms, which are known as diamond, graphite, and newly discovered allotrope of carbon is fullerenes. What is the structural difference between any two allotropes of carbon? First one is diamond. What is the arrangement of carbon atoms? Maximum covalency of carbon is 4. And this structure, this arrangement is showing satisfaction of all 4 valencies of carbon atom in which form? In tetrahedral form. All valencies of carbon atoms are satisfying in which structure? Diamond. Diamond is hardest material. Why? Due to this tetrahedral arrangement of carbon atoms. Tetrahedral means when 4 corners are joined, tetrahedral shape is obtained. No free valence is present in its structure. Each bond is purely covalent bond. And what is the distance between carbon-carbon bond? 154 picometer. Carbon atom in diamond is sp3 hybridized. sp3 because free valency is not present. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 covalent bonds are present. 4 hybrid orbitals are present. Tetrahedral geometry is related with sp3 type of hybridization. Next feature of diamond allotrope of carbon. Diamond is poor conductor of heat and electricity. Why? Due to absence of free electron. Free valence is absent. Free electron, valence electron is absent. Diamond is poor conductor of heat and electricity because conductivity is shown by mobile electrons or free electrons. Okay children, important features. First, geometry, type of hybridization of each carbon, thermal and electrical conductivity. Softness, hardness. Diamond is hardest material, hardest allotrope of carbon due to well compact structure. Right? Second allotrope of carbon is graphite. Graphite, what is the arrangement of carbon atoms in its structure? Hexagonal arrangement. Each dot is showing carbon. Carbon, carbon, arrangement of 6 carbon atoms in cyclic manner and formation of hexagonal shape. Arrangement of different layers of hexagonal rings. Right? Layer 1, layer 2, then n layer. And important feature, one valency of carbon is free. Carbon is tetravalent, but how many covalent bonds are present in each layer of hexagonal arrangement? 3 purely covalent. 1, 2, 3. Carbon with carbon, carbon with carbon, carbon with carbon. 3 purely covalent bonds. This dotted line is showing weak force, which is van der Waals force. Van der Waals, which is van der Waals force. Right? This van der Waals force is present between layers of hexagonal rings of carbon atoms and within cyclic structure only one type of chemical bond which is purely covalent bond. Children, here free valence is available, free electron is available. Graphite is good conductor of heat and electricity due to presence of free electron. Conductivity is shown by free electron, not by bonded electrons. Next feature, soft. Graphite is soft. Right? Next feature, electron is delocalized. Fourth valence is free. Fourth valence electron is free. Which electron is delocalized. Position is not fixed. Right? In terms of hybridization, carbon in diamond is sp3 hybridized and in graphite carbon is sp2 hybridized. sp2. Why sp2? Only 3 atoms are attached with the central. Each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. One electron is free. Okay children, what is the difference between diamond and graphite structures? Tetrahedral in diamond, hexagonal in graphite. Compact or well packed in diamond, loosely packed in graphite. Carbon is sp3 hybridized in diamond, carbon is sp2 hybridized in graphite. Diamond is poor conductor of heat and electricity, graphite is good conductor due to presence of free electron. Right? Now, one more difference. In diamond, only one type of chemical bonds are present. Covalent, purely covalent. In graphite, two types. Covalent and van der Waals force. Right? Newly discovered allotropic form of carbon is fullerene. What is the shape of fullerene? Football-like structure. Why football-like structure? Due to presence of pentagonal and hexagonal arrangement of carbon atoms, or pentagonal cyclic structure and hexagonal cyclic structure. In this cyclic structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are present. This is pentagonal shape. In second, adjacent to cyclic structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms are present. 2 carbon atoms are common between two cyclic structures. Okay children, this type of repetition, fusion of pentagonal, hexagonal, hexa with hexa, pentagonal with hexa gives football-like appearance, football-like shape. Here carbon is sp2 hybridized. It possesses some aromatic character due to free valence, due to presence of double bond. Okay children, now conversion of graphite to fullerene. First, vaporization of graphite in inert atmosphere in the presence of helium gas, which is inert. Heating of graphite. First step is vaporization in inert atmosphere. Then vapors are obtained, vapors of graphite. Then condensation. By condensation, sooty appearance, fine crystals of fullerene. Change in arrangement from hexagonal to hexagonal and pentagonal. By which process? First, by vaporization and then condensation. After condensation, then minimum C60 arrangement is obtained. Arrangement of 60 carbon atoms in one allotropic form, which is the fullerene. Minimum 60 carbon atoms are required. Then this type of shape is obtained, which is football-like shape. Right? One important question: which allotrop of carbon is newly discovered allotrop? Fullerene. And what is the main source of fullerene? Raw material of fullerene? Graphite. Okay children, now I am showing you two models. One model for tetrahedral arrangement of carbon in diamond. This central atom is carbon. This atom, one carbon is attached with 4 other carbon atoms. In which manner? In tetrahedral manner. This is 3D arrangement. In diamond, arrangement of carbon atoms in 3D manner. Okay children? This is only small part, smallest part of diamond. Again repetition. This carbon is attached with 3 more carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. This is 4th part. Right? Now arrangement of carbon atoms in graphite. Graphite. This is showing arrangement of layers, different layers. Like this children. Different layers. This is one first bottommost layer of hexagonal rings. This is middle layer of carbon atoms, cyclic arrangement, hexagonal arrangement. This is third layer. Repetition of same type of arrangement in 2D manner, in two-dimensional manner. This is weak force, which is shown by this dark black color stick. This black stick is showing weak force, which is van der Waals force between our carbon atoms of 2 layers, right? And the white color stick is showing purely covalent bond. Okay children, I am showing you arrangement of hexagonal rings in 2D manner, arrangement of different layers, right? Like this, like this. Okay, this is loosely packed arrangement of carbon atoms, loosely packed. Okay children, this is allotropic form of carbon. Structural arrangement is different. Structural arrangement is hexagonal arrangement, right? This type of nature of any element is called allotropy. Phenomenon is allotropy, and each structure is called allotrop, right?